Hi, I'm Charlie Wellenstein with the Center for Children, Families, and Workforce Development at the University of Montana. And I want to use this video to describe the differences between ratios and percentages, give some examples of what they're like, and hopefully this will help you understand your communities better. Now, if we look at ratios, it's a comparison of two things. And so you can say out of these 10 pieces of fruit, 3 are apples. It's a ratio of 3 to 10. And on another basic level, percentages are the number per 100. So if you say there's 20% of the people do this, that means you can figure about 20 out of every 100. So let's look at some real examples. And let's look at two Montana counties. Let's look at Yellowstone County and Phillips County. And let's look at the number of physicians per 100,000 people. And so if we look at Yellowstone, there's about 313 physicians, I'll put MDs here, per, I'm going to use a sign, every 100,000, so I'll use 100K just to abbreviate, 100,000 people. Now if we look at Phillips, it's much different. It's about 23 physicians per 100,000 people. Now the key is here, if you know both these counties, you know they're starkly different. And so you can look at, there's approximately 150,000 people in Yellowstone and about 4,000 in Phillips. And so you can see that these counties are different, and these numbers, you can look at them and try to figure out, well, why does this disparity exist? And what is possibly the best number of physicians to have for your population, and find that ideal number. So now let's look at percentages, and let's also look at two Montana counties. And let's look at Bighorn County, and let's look at Flathead County. And if we look at the population, or the percentage of American Indian youth, and I mean youth under age 18 for each of these counties, we can look at Bighorn, which has 80% of the youth are, approximately 80% of the youth are American Indian. And if we look at Flathead, 1% of the youth are American Indian. So if we look at these numbers, we can say, well, 80 out of every 100 kids in Bighorn County are going to be American Indian. In Flathead, 1 out of every 100. And so we look at, again, this difference and this great difference in racial makeup of each of those counties. And it allows us to look at our communities and try to understand them better. So hopefully both these ways of looking at your community will give you a greater understanding of how the community is made up, and possibly how you can change any impacts you need to.